I thought I had it figured out. Believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going. I don't know at all. I don't know how we're growing. I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own, making me strong. Now on a show, I can't hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. I don't live it all alone. So sorry for the heartache and saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're growing. I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own, making me strong. Now on a show, I can't hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. I don't live it all alone.
You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely, and I'm your willing victim. My friends already told me, but I don't wanna listen.